Hey guys, welcome back. So, you want to save $1,000 fast in 2026, right? I got you. I'm going to show you a simple, nonsense way to make it happen without feeling like you're living on bread and water. First off, why $1,000? Think of it as your emergency money. The buffer that saves you from surprise bills, car repairs, or even a little getaway. And trust me, having a clear goal like $1,000 makes saving way easier than saying I need to save more. Step 1. Know where you stand. Look at your income, your bills, and what you actually spend each month. You'll be surprised how much money is just slipping through the cracks. Write it down, highlight what you can change, and you've already started taking control. Next, automate your savings. Seriously, it works like magic. Set up a weekly or bi-weekly transfer to your savings. Even $50 a week is enough. You won't miss it, and it adds up fast. Do the math. $50 a week is $200 a month. In just 5 months, boom, $1,000. Now, let's talk about cutting small daily expenses. Skip that fancy coffee once a day, eat lunch at home instead of ordering out, and you're already saving $10, $15 daily. That's over $400 in a month just from tiny changes. Use an app to track it. It's satisfying to watch the numbers grow. If cutting isn't enough, make some extra cash. Quick side hustles work wonders. Drive for DoorDash or Uber Eats, freelance online, or sell stuff you don't need. Even a weekend hustle can give you $100, $300 extra straight into your savings. Also, don't ignore the big bills. Call your phone or internet provider and negotiate a lower rate. Switch to cheaper insurance or cancel subscriptions you don't really use. A few small changes there can free up $50, $150 a month, all going directly into your savings. Here's a tip that actually works. Break your $1,000 goal into smaller chunks. Hit $250. Celebrate. Hit $500. Treat yourself. Not with anything crazy, just a small reward to keep yourself motivated. These little wins make the journey way more fun. Next month, another $450. And just like that, $1,000. Fast, simple, and totally doable.